talk about how can you find your private breads on your bread app. We'll go to figure out the solution, know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, just click here on private breads here. So then here you just click on OK. Then here automatically it's going to take you to this list. You click here on allow. Then it's going to connect with you to find your private breads here on your bread app. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish know you. I give it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all I wish know you. I give it. So thank you for your watching. And here it's going to show for you in this list.